I'm Lisa Bronner, and today we're going green with hair care with Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Magic Soap and other Dr. Bronner's products. Washing hair with a true soap like the Magic Soap relies on a different chemistry than with conventional shampoo. For one thing, soap is made in a much simpler reaction than the more complex detergent-based. It's made in a one-step process directly from plant oils such as coconut, jojoba, olive, and hemp seed. Secondly, soap is alkaline, whereas detergent is acidic, and therefore the soap needs a slightly acidic rinse to balance the pH and keep hair smooth. Many conventional conditioners rely on silicone derivatives to produce a smooth feel on the hair, but I find that weighs my hair down. The Dr. Bronner soaps and the rinses we're going to discuss, none of them contain silicone, and that leaves my hair feeling lighter and brighter. There is no one best routine for hair because there are so many different hair types, hairstyles, climates, lifestyles. Let me share with you how I and a few of my colleagues take care of our hair using Dr. Bronner's products. I hope this gives you some good ideas. First, my own hair story. As you can see, my hair is long, it's fairly thick, it's got a fine texture, it's a little bit wavy, and it's prone to dryness. I get salon highlights put in a couple times a year. I wash my hair every 3 days or so, and for the most part, I use the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Magic Soap in almond. But if the weather is extra dry, I'll actually go for the organic sugar soap in lemongrass lime. Or if it's super duper dry, I'll even wash my hair with the organic shave soap in the peppermint. I follow that up with a rinse of a half cup of strained lemon juice, diluted in half with water. The acidity of the lemon juice causes the keratin scales on our hair to lie flat and makes my hair nice and smooth. After I towel my hair dry, then I will use a pump and a half of the lavender organic hair cream, and I'll just scrunch that through the ends to give them some extra moisture. The last product that I use on my hair is the organic magic balm, and I'll only use this when my hair is already dry. Maybe between washings, I'll just put a little bit of this through my hair to keep it smooth and tame any frizzies. I can hardly remember the transition from conventional shampoo to soap. It was a really long time ago, back in 2008, but I do remember that my hair came alive. For one thing, I discovered that my hair was actually wavy. Who knew? That was really fun. But my hair also felt and looked so much healthier and stronger. My favorite part is that now I can use just one soap from head to toe, and before I've had my morning coffee, that makes things so much easier. The Dr. Bronner's products that I use on my hair are the Pure Castile Magic Soap in almond, or sometimes the organic sugar soap in lemongrass lime, or the organic shaving soap in peppermint. I also use the organic lavender hair cream and the organic unscented magic balm. Since my transition to soap was back in 2008, let's hear from some people who have made the transition more recently. Sophia is the Going Green channel coordinator.
My hair type is fine, it's wavy, it gets a bit frizzy and is on the drier side. My hair care regimen is I wash my hair about 2 times a week, and I wash it with the Dr. Bronner's Castile Magic Soap in tea tree, and I use the bar soap specifically. I lather that up in my hands and I run it through my hair, really getting all from my scalp into the ends of my hair. Once a week or every other week, I'll use the organic hair cream and peppermint to create a hair mask, and I'll start with a couple pumps in my hand, and then I'll run that from the top of my head into the ends of my hair, really focusing on the ends and the middle. After the mask has sat in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, I'll rinse that out, and then I'll take the organic citrus hair rinse, and I'll take about 1/4 of a cap full. I'll pour it into an aluminum cup that I have in the shower. I'll fill that with about a cup of water. I'll swirl it around to mix it up, and then I'll pour it over the top of my head, letting it run down into the rest of my hair and the ends. And then I'll let that sit for about maybe a minute or 2, and then I'll rinse that out with just water in the shower. And then I'll sometimes run a wide tooth comb through just to straighten anything out, and then I'll just let it air dry. So when I use the hair cream on my dry hair in between washings, I'll usually use it starting at about the midpoint of my hair and then down into the ends. It helps it look a little bit more silky and smooth and refreshed throughout the week. In addition to using the organic hair cream on my hair throughout the week. Sometimes I'll use the Magic Balm in the unscented, and I'll use that to tamp down any frizzies that I have. And I just get a little bit right on the tips of my fingers and pat it down on my hair, and that really keeps everything in place. The Dr. Bronner's products that I use on my hair are the Tea Tree Magic Bar Soap, the unscented Magic Balm, the Citrus Hair Rinse, and the organic hair cream and peppermint.
Garrison is Dr. Bronner's engagement supervisor.
So my hair is interesting. I'm not sure if you heard of wicks, but that's what my hair is called. So pretty much wicks are just thicker dreadlocks. I have 9 wicks, and then each wick is 6 dreadlocks crocheted together. So on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, I wash my hair with our Citrus Pure Castile Magic Soap, and then I rinse my hair with our Citrus Organic Hair Rinse. So when I wash my hair with our Citrus Pure Castile Magic Soap, I typically give 2 squirts on my hair, and then that really does the job. It gives a really nice lather. So to rinse my hair, I dilute the hair rinse in the bottle itself. So in the bottle, when I use the rinse, it's gonna have half water and half Citrus Organic Hair Rinse. And so I use 2 capfuls of that, and it really rinses my hair quite well. So I've been using this regimen for over a year and a half since I started working at Dr. Bronner's. Daily with my hair care regimen, I typically put 3 products into my hair in the morning. And the first product I normally put in is a natural peppermint black castor oil to really rejuvenate my scalp and replenish hair moisture. And I also use our peppermint organic hair cream to kind of give my hair a bit of shine and to soften it a little bit. And I also use a gel to really kind of keep my hair up because it's very Afro-esque at the root. The Dr. Bronner's products I use in my hair are going to be our Peppermint Organic Hair Cream, our Citrus Pure Castile Magic Soap, and our Citrus Organic Hair Rinse.
Next, let's meet Monique. Monique is Dr. Bronner's safety specialist, accompanied by the ever-faithful Duke.
I take a lot of pride in my hair. It's one of the staples of Monique. I would say my hair is a little thick, heavy, and full, and it's naturally straight. My hair care regimen consists of a daily wash with Dr. Bronner's all-in-one Castile soap. I use about a cap of a 32 ounce and a half. And my preference in fragrance is eucalyptus and lavender, heavier on the lavender preferably for that nice relaxing aroma. So after I shower with the Dr. Bronner's all-in-one soap, I follow up with a towel dry and about a pump and a quarter of the lavender hair cream, and I just lather it in, let it air dry, leaves a natural flow. What made me switch over from conventional products to Dr. Bronner's was simplicity and multi-functionality. The Dr. Bronner products that I use on my hair are a mixture of eucalyptus and lavender magic soaps and the lavender hair cream.
Everyone's hair and hair types are as unique as our personalities. When switching away from conventional products, we each have to find the routine that works best for us. The different Dr. Bronner soaps are good for different hair types. The Pure Castile Magic Soap is the simplest soap and is a good place to start. And then, for drier or coarser hair, you might try the organic sugar soap or even the shaving soap. After washing, you might need to follow up with an acidic rinse, such as the Dr. Bronner Citrus Hair Rinse or lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. And then you might need a leave-in conditioner like the hair cream, which comes in peppermint or lavender. You've also heard several of us use the unscented Magic Balm for in-between washings for some frizz control and light styling. You may need to try different options to find out what works best for you. And if you have any questions, I'm here for you. Have you made the switch to True Soaps? Share your story in the comments below. And thanks for joining me for Hair Care with Dr. Bronner's. I will see you the next time we go green. If you enjoy this type of content and want more tips for living a simpler and greener life, then like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, check out my blog, Going Green with Lisa Bronner, and read my book, Soap and Soul.